page khona manje on Facebook. Uthini mfowethu?
Hey, namhlanje mfethu hayi ngithi be yourself. Ingxoxo yethu yanamhlanje ithi be yourself. Nginethemba mfethu ukuthi mase siqeda nje ingxoxo yanamhlanje abantu abaningi bazobe sebebona ukuthi kubaluleke ngani ukuthi umuntu abe uyena, angazami ukuthi akopishe abanye abantu abe yibona. Ngiqala nje mfethu khona enye iquote engiyaziyo ka Oscar Wilde mfethu uthi be yourself, everyone else is taken. Okusho ukuthi iba wena ngoba bonke abanye abantu ozama ukuba yibona sebevese bathathiwe. Elinye mfethu ivesi silithole eBhayibhelini engicabanga ukuthi ngicela ukulimenshina la. uDavid sibona mfethu simthola kufanelwe nolento lena. Kufana alwe noGoliath. uSawuli mfethu ufika kuyena ufuna ukumnikeza ikhoti yakhe mfethu izinto alwa ngazo uyamnikeza mfethu ukuthi akazame mfethu ukuthi alwe ngazo. Uma ethi uyayigqoka uDavid mfethu lezi zinto lezi ziyamxaka. Mazimxaka bese buyela kuyena uSawuli uthe ngiyaxolisa mfethu lento engithi ngizama ukulwa ngayo iyangihlula. It's not for me. Yabo, it's not for me. Mina mfethu ngicela ukusebenzisa engikujwayele nengicabanga ukuthi ngidalelwe khona. Simthole sethatha isihlilingi mfethu ethatha namatshe and then uya empini uyafika uyanqoba. Why ngisho lonto mfethu? There are certain people mfethu abanikeze ama personalities ongathi uma abuke ungazothi adelelekile. Uthi ubuka ama mentors wakho mfethu, they fight battles in a certain way. So wena ubese uyitshena ukuthi nawe mfethu ukuze ube great, ukuze ukwazi ukunqoba izinto ezithile, you need to emulate abantu abathile. Kufanele ushumayele ngendlela ethile ngoba imenzo yakhe ishumayela ngendlela ethile. Kanti no, uNkulunkulu uze kuwena mfethu uzofuna ukusebenzisa wena uqobo lwakho ukuze anqobe izinto ezinkulu. You don't have to copy everyone. And siyayisifole into that temptation ngoba khona abantu esuke sibukela kubona abaphezulu mfethu abenza izinto ezinkulu. And kubalula ukuthi ufuna ukubukela kubona noma ukopele bona ugcina usuyikhohlwa wena ukuthi uba. So namhlanje ngithi be yourself, everyone else is taken. Iba wena ngoba abanye abantu bathathiwe. Ngisamncane mfethu khona enye into yake yangidida mfethu. Siyamazi sonke uZola 7 esashaya ishow yakhe kwiPrime. uZola wake wamention esinye statement ukuthi before ayo perform stage uqala lalelo Caiphas Simenywa no Hugh Masikela. Okuyinto yangidida ukuthi kanjani ngoba uZola ucula hip hop nekwaito ubalalela kanjani abanye abantu abakwi different genre to inspire you to be you. Ngithe mase ngikhula nga realize ukuthi it's possible ukuthi ubukele emntwini othile without copying them. You can look up to certain people ube inspired but still remain yourself. Iyona into engizama ukisho namhlanje ukuthi ngisho bekhona abantu ubukela kubona ufunde izinto eziningi but ungakhohlwa ukuthi uba. Study other people but never lose yourself. Engizoyisho manje mfethu ngicela ukisho ngenhlonipho because I don't mean to ridicule but it's out of humility mfethu. There are people mfethu sibaziyo mfethu they are doing radio in an amazing way, but the saddest thing about it, they are yet to reach their greatness because every time you listen to them you can tell ukuthi this is uLinda Sibiya. Even though kusakaza omunye umuntu but this is uLinda Sibiya. You are yet to reach your greatness ngobuwena. Inspire uLinda Sibiya uqala ukusakaza but you haven't detached from uLinda. Namanje uthi usabambe mic awukakaveli, namanje usabambe mic mfethu usakaza after 10 years kusazwakala ukuthi ongazuthi uLinda Sibiya la. Khona abantu mfethu uthi uma ubabuka they are amazing with public speaking, you know, but still umuthi uyabalalela uyeza ukuthi khona uvusa ithembekwayo la. Yebo lento le. Yebo ukhule ngovusa ithembekwayo walalela wa consumer ama products wakhe, of which is not wrong, but you need to reach a level lanzo detach khona. Ilento lena ama spacecraft umeya kwemoon, they reach a stage like detach khona from ama boosters. You need to reach a level la uzoqala ngawo ukuthi ade ngilalela uvuma ngafunda izinto ezinkulu, but mase ngifika kwi level ethile now I have to operate kwi gift yami uNkulunkulu angiphe yona. Abantu abaningi babanjwe ilonto mfethu. Khona umunye usisa ngeke limention igama lakhe. When she released the first album, why sounded like she was an American and stuff, and music wakhe wangenza kakhulu first album. Uthe umeshintsha waya kulento lene connecta naye uqobo. Be yourself. She's one of the best singers we've produced in the country. Be yourself. Igreatness yakho incike lapho mfethu yabo. Iphuzu lami lokugcina uTD Jakes mfethu uthi uyayamenywa kwamanye amabandla ukuthi ayoshumayela uma ethi yawa-analyze lamabandla abafundisi bakhona they preach standing in one place in a calm note tone uthi kuya kumfaka i-challenge lokho mfethu kumenze ongazi ukuthi mfethu naye uma eseyoshumayela kufana zama ukuma ndawonye anganyakazi kakhulu uthi kodwa when he remembers ukuthi labantu bangibize bazi kahle amhlophe ukuthi nguTD Jakes mina mangishumayela ngiyanyakaza ngiyascreama that is who I am, they've called me for that. Kubhlungu ukuthi makubiza uThulani kuthiwa okay kubiza ulento kubiza uThulani kuthiwa sicela uzoshumayela mabethi kuyafika lapha nawo kwase kushumayela uvuma kanti besibize uThulani. Be yourself mfethu, there is a greatness yakho ezophuma ngokuthi you are yourself mfethu. Bonke abantu engiba-analyzayo mfethu they are great because they've reached a stage lapho ababa khona. Yazi mfethu, you will never grow until you embrace yourself. You'll never grow until you embrace yourself ungubani. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu ayifakile kuwena, the way you read books, the way you speak, yonke leyo nto mfethu they contribute to who you are, but up until you embrace it. Ngicela ukuyivala futhi. Ngithe khona abantu asebesakaze more than 10 years, but umuthi yabalalela namanje useza ukuthi akakabi uyena lo muntu kusawulinda Sibiya, even though ulinda Sibiya kade retire, but because you were inspired by him, you haven't reached a stage lapho usunguwena. Who are you today? Be yourself. God is love.
Thulani Gumethe ukhuluma ngezinto umuntu akayi-analyze kube ngathi udlala umzwa ngedwa kanti no ngempela ziyadinga ukuthi uzibheke izinto. Yes, ziyadinga ukuthi uzibheke nani nani. You know, many people are bloggers today because they were inspired by someone.
Yeah.
Sekunzima manje ukuthi bonke babongihlali because sometimes bayivela nama-pitches.
Yes. Sure.
Angafuni ukuya kude kakhulu. Kodwa ke